In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lead magnets with Gohighlevel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own account. The goal here is to create the basic funnel structure for a lead magnet and begin customizing the page so it feels clear and professional for your audience. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to build the lead magnet. Once you're in the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for building pages, funnels, and other assets. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This is the section where Gohighlevel keeps your websites, funnels, and related page building tools. After that, click on Funnels. This will open the Funnels area where you can either manage existing funnels or create a brand new one for your lead magnet. Next, click on New Funnel. This is the starting point for building out your lead magnet experience. When the platform gives you options for how to begin, select the option to use a template. Templates are helpful because they give you a ready-made structure, which saves time and makes the process much easier, especially if you don't want to design everything from scratch. Now choose a template that fits the style or purpose of your lead magnet. You don't need to overthink this part. Just pick a layout that gives you a clean starting point and matches the kind of offer you're creating. Once you're done adding the template, you'll be taken into the editor so you can begin customizing the page. From here, go to the left-hand side again and click the plus sign button. This is how you add new content into the page layout. After clicking the plus sign, click on Elements. Elements are the building blocks of your page, such as text, headlines, images, buttons, and other sections. For this step, you'll want to add a headline. Create a headline that clearly communicates the message of the page. For example, you can use something like, "Thank you for participating." This works well if your page is meant to confirm an action or continue the lead magnet experience after someone opts in. Keep your headline easy to read and relevant to what the visitor just did, because that helps the page feel intentional and polished. That's the basic setup for creating a lead magnet funnel in Gohighlevel, using a template and customizing it with your own headline. Once you're comfortable with this flow, it becomes much faster to build future lead magnet pages inside the platform.